went to do some shopping for our Christmas dinner, and therefore I went to a local farmer. They have so beautiful things of vegetables straight from their garden, and also the other produce they get from really nice small farmers. So I really enjoy shopping there, because in the big supermarkets it's really not my favorite thing to do. So here it's just that value for food I was talking about in the last week's video. I feel you get it so much more in these shops where in these local shops where people really also put their effort into the food, and I just feel you can feel that energy. And the sun came out. This is really on top of a mountain, and everywhere else down where you can see it's just foggy. So I had to take a moment to just enjoy that sun and that beautiful scenery of fog and sun, and it's a nice vibe. I find that days, just the last days before Christmas, I really enjoy, as also because I'm really excited for it. I like it. I like how the kids get excited for it. I like to to see their joy. It's also you just get that feeling like it's a nice time for me myself. And so I also wish all of you a very Merry Christmas. I hope you can take it slow and enjoy it with your family or whatever people close to your heart. And just have a very beautiful time.